Hi, in this video we will discuss about Protonmail. It is an email service, just like other popular email services like Gmail, Outlook, but it is very secure and end-to-end encrypted. So let's see what is it. So let me search first. So this is the official website of Protonmail, and it is made in Switzerland. So let's see. So we also have like other popular email services, Outlook and Gmail. They are providing very good features, but when it comes to privacy, then Proton Mail is the best. So here we have earlier it was only the mail service. Now they have introduced like VPN drive and calendar, just like Outlook and Gmail. So so these are all the service they are providing now. Let's create an account. So here they have their like premium plans also, like Plus and Proton Unlimited. So we will go with free one. So here they will provide like encrypted email for everyone and 1 GB storage and free email address and 150 is the limit for mails. And in the calendar they are providing and drive they are providing encrypted files sharing, and they are also providing the one VPN for the free plan. Let's see. So unlike creating account on other platform like Outlook and Gmail, there you will also have to provide some of your like details like phone number or the email. Here you don't have to provide any. It is not mandatory, but if you want, you can provide the recovery email or the contact. So here you will have to select the username. Either you can choose proton.me and protonmail.com. I will choose protonmail. Let's take a username. Tab for YouTube. Let's choose the password. Let's see if it is available or not. Okay, it is available. Okay, I'm a human, so we will have to choose grabs. It is also grab, I guess. Okay, we have passed the verification and they are creating the account. You will, so let's temp account. Okay, they are prompting you like you can add the recovery details, but it is not mandatory. So I will click like maybe later. And they are saying like you didn't set a recovery method, so account recovery is impossible if you forgot your password. Proceed without recovery method to confirm. So now our account is created. Now we can explore like check the Proton mail first. For the first time, it has taken time for the configuration. Let's keep it normal. Get started. So there is some sale thing, so you can close it or you can choose your plans accordingly. So this is they're saying the steps you have to complete. Let's close it. So this is our mailbox. So this is just like other Outlook and Gmail. Here you will have lots of mails, and this is the mail open there. So this is the pretty much uh, interface, and here you have like 500 MB of storage. So here you have your inbox, drafts and start and spam, all the common things just you have like in other mailboxes. And here you have your settings. You can change the themes and you can add the keyboard shortcuts. And here you have your account settings. So and you can like it is pretty much same. So they also have added their signature, so you can do subject and this is all same thing you can add up. So the thing is, it is like very secure and it is end-to-end protected, and they have mentioned somewhere like um, nobody can see the message if in case of like something. Let me check it again. Yep. Or end-to-end encryption and zero access encryption mean that no one but you can access your data, not even Proton. We don't sell ads and can share your data. Yeah, this is the one thing I would like to mention. Like in other services, Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo, all other services, they gather like they capture lots of data from the user, and they like use that data to manipulate things and providing the ads. So at Proton, privacy isn't a promise; it's a mathematically ensured. So they can't access to your mails or data, and they are using Swiss for privacy, and all these things are mentioned here. So let's see. So this is pretty much the Outlook thing, and here you also have your other features like Proton Calendar you have, Proton Drive you have, and last one the VPN. Let's see one by one. Yeah, it's taking time. Okay, so just like Outlook and Gmail, here you will also see like whether you have your meeting and your schedule for day to day, like you have your meetings. So it is, I guess, pretty much same. So let's drop it. So for the free version, I guess they are providing 1 GB. So here you can here you can like upload and share your files. So this is also the same thing, just like you have on like OneDrive and Google Drive. Here you are using the free version, so yeah, they are not providing much space. Yeah. So this is your VPN. So here you are providing one VPN connection in 3 countries. So for more, you can like upgrade to their plans, and you can also customize your like email services, email subscription mails, so you can choose there accordingly. And you yeah, from here you can download your VPN app for Windows, iOS, and Android and Mac OS. It is available, even for Linux it is available, so you can download from different platform. So for different platform, the Proton VPN is available, so you can download accordingly. Let's see. So here there are the logs, and logs are mentioned here, like where you have logged in, and you can You can also enable advanced logs, so it will also provide you more information. And this is all it, I guess. Let's see one more thing. So here you can add two password mode in the multi-factor authentication, and you can even delete your account. So this is all about Proton. So if you are a privacy concerned person, then you should go with Protonmail. So it is best for privacy, and it doesn't gather your information. It doesn't spy on you. So it is pretty much secure and easy to use. And yeah, it is. In free version, you will have some limitation, but it is, I guess, it is very much worth. So even you can try their premium version, the plans they are showing. So that's all in this video. We will catch you later.